Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect an Anko Bluetooth FM transmitter. First, locate your car's 12-volt power socket, often called a cigarette lighter socket, and firmly insert the Anko transmitter. Make sure your vehicle's engine is running to supply power to the device. You should see the transmitter's display light up, confirming it has successfully powered on and is ready for the next steps. Next, you'll need to find a clear FM frequency on your car's radio. Tune your car radio to a station that only plays static, indicating it's not in use by a local broadcaster. Once you've found a quiet frequency, use the controls on your Anko transmitter to set its broadcast frequency to match your car radio's setting. This creates a direct, interference-free audio link. Now it's time to pair your audio device with the transmitter. On your mobile phone or tablet, navigate to your Bluetooth settings and ensure Bluetooth is turned on. Your phone will begin searching for nearby devices. Look for the Anko transmitter in the list of available devices. It's often labeled simply as Anko or a similar product name. Tap to connect and establish the Bluetooth link. With the Bluetooth connection established, you are now ready to enjoy your audio. Double-check that your phone confirms it's connected to the Anko transmitter. Open your favorite music streaming app, podcast player, or any audio source on your phone and begin playback. Remember to adjust the volume on both your phone and your car's stereo system to achieve the optimal listening experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.